Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone is logged into the correct Facebook account in the iOS Facebook app. This is the account you will link to Bgmi. Once done, open Bgmi and check your profile for UID and existing linked accounts so you can track changes. Make sure other gamer accounts are logged out of their social apps to prevent accidental cross-linking. Doing this upfront prevents lost progress and saves time later when we perform the actual unlink and relink operations. Now you will unlink Facebook from Bgmi inside the game settings. Go to Basic, Account, then choose Unlink Facebook and accept confirmation prompts. You do this because iOS handles the authentication token tied to that FB app session. Next, back up any local items like screenshots or codes and force close Bgmi, then reboot your iPhone to clear residual sessions. This makes sure when you relink the desired Facebook account, the game treats it as a fresh authentication and avoids mistaken account merges. With your target Facebook account active in the iOS Facebook app, open Bgmi and go to Settings, Account, then select Link Facebook. Grant the requested permissions when the prompt appears. After linking, verify your UID and in-game name to confirm the correct FB account is attached. If the process fails or shows the wrong account, clear Safari website data and cached logins or reinstall Bgmi, then repeat the unlink/relink steps. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves token mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.